A tiny heater radiator buried deep behind this dashboard in very far corner has leaked and soaked the carpet and filling the cabin with the trapped water. To replacing that, I have to dismantle almost the whole interior. Seats, center console, dashboard, everything has to come out. Then we will remove the carpet, clean and dry everything properly, install the new radiator, and put everything back on. It is the massive job for the small leak. Stay with me to save this 2012 Ford Focus. It comes up two different heat core with the two different part number, and they are massively different prices. I'll call the Ford, and they're not even sure which one is the correct one. And the only one way is remain to get the car apart and find the part number from the actual radiator on the car. It's safe to remove the battery before taking the airbags off. There's nothing long left. There's nothing left here. That's a heater core, and it was in very deep corner. As you saw it, I took everything off to have access to take this one out. The actual core and the radiator, it has no problem, but the weakest point is this corner. It breaks easily with the heat and makes lots of problem on this car. So this model, it has very common issue. and most of them got same thing. I used to have one of these when I bought it from the auction. After they received the car, I found out it has leak problem, and the previous owner drove it without any water inside the cooling system, and the head gasket was gone. And I spent the money on the gasket, changed the core. Even the some bracket was broken inside the engine bay, and then I fixed it. My wife used to drive it and then sold it, but I spent a lot of money on that. But anyway, that's core out. I'm going to match the parts with the Ford and order the parts. Soon as it comes, put the new core on and start to put everything back on. And before everything, I have to clean the carpet and take the moisture out. All right, I ordered the parts. It was super expensive, $842. Super expensive for the part. But anyway, I had no choice. Just receive it after the couple of hours. I was lucky that they had stock in their storage. This is the core, but the new one, it doesn't have anything here, so it's one piece pipe, and it seems it has the better attachment here. So I'll finish the interior. I'll put everything back on. The last night, my battery get flattened and I couldn't record the rest. So I'll put everything back on. It works everything. And I'll show you how quickly it looks like from the engine bay. This is the two pipe comes from the comes out from the cabin, and the left side is the inlet and the right hand side is the outlet. So that one is connected to the actual heater core. Last night I filled up the tank to the maximum, but now it's calmed down, so I have to tap it up again. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you next one.